said moimoi must be steamed? Well, this is my favorite way to make moimoi now. I baked it. It's delicious, soft, and so good you suddenly ask for more. Hello and welcome back. Today I'm making baked moimoi using beans already peeled and washed. If you've been following my channel, you'll remember I shared that process in an earlier video. I'll attach the link to the video in the comment section. Pour in your peeled and washed beans into your blender and go in with bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, onions, seasoning cubes, crayfish, and beetroot. Adding beetroot to this moimoi is optional. I just added mine because I wanted the color to be vibrant and appealing. You can skip it or use tomato paste instead. Now add a little water, cover it and blend till it's very smooth. If you have watched up to this point, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Now that we have a smooth paste, go in with salt, sardine or any fish of your choice, oil, and shredded meat, which is totally optional. Now give it a good stir to combine all the ingredients together perfectly. And it's time to pour our moimoi batter into the pan. First, I line the pan with foil because the pan will be placed in water and I don't want any water getting into the moimoi. Skip the foil stage if your pan is not detachable. Then I add a layer of baking paper. This makes it very easy to remove the moimoi once it's done baking. Once the pan is properly lined, I pour in the batter. The texture should be smooth and silky, not too thick and not too runny. To make my moimoi richer and more appetizing, I added some pieces of fish on top, followed by bell peppers and sliced eggs. This step is optional, but it adds so much flavor and makes it look beautiful. How do you make your moimoi? Would you love to try out this method? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Before baking, I cover the top of the pan with foil. This helps trap moisture and prevents the moimoi from drying out while it bakes. Instead of steaming on the stove, I baked my moimoi in the oven using a water bath method. I added water into a larger baking tray and placed my covered pan inside. Once everything is set, I carefully placed it into the oven and let it bake slowly at 180 to 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes to an hour. Our perfectly set, soft, rich and delicious baked moimoi is ready. Wow, just look at that. If you haven't tried baked moimoi before, you are missing out. Because this method is simple, stress-free and it's so delicious and nice. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video and share. Turn on your notification button. We have a lot of lovely recipes to bring your way. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye!